What's going on, guys? Today we have some exciting things happening and something really exciting to get into for us and kind of a different direction of the channel that we have going on. So sitting right behind me is some land that we have that we're going to be building a spec house on for the business, and we're really excited to get this thing underway. It's been something that has been in the works for a little while and really just a goal that we've had. So we have the foundation laid out, and we're going to be getting that going this week. So we've had a lot going on here. A lot of this cleaned up. Just some backstory behind it. We got this land probably 7 or 8 months ago and have been working on getting all the finances and stuff in line and getting this cleared up. This is actually a lot that had a house on it probably 10 or 12 years ago. House burnt down and they demolished it, and it's just been sitting vacant ever since. So we got it, had a bunch of trees grown up in the back and on the sides here. So we've gotten all that cleared out, got it staked out for the foundation, getting that dug this week. So it's going to be a pretty simple house with a 32 by 24 footprint, going 2 stories on it. So really looking forward to get this going, and we're going to be carrying you along with us, just going through this entire process. So let's take a quick look around the property. So it's a small, like, 1/4 acre lot. Does have some grade to it. You can see the old driveway and curb right here. This will all have to be changed for the septic system. So the old house sat in this area right here up front, but due to, you know, the newer codes and regulations, we're going to have to be moving the septic, because septic, we're assuming, used to be in the back. We can't find it, but it used to be in the back, but because we do have a creek back there, we're going to have to move it up to the front, unfortunately. But you can see we have it staked out right here. It's going to be setting decently up on this front portion of the hill. We're only going to have one major slope in the back corner. Well, we got all these. This all used to be trees. All of this used to be trees, and they weren't massive, but they were there. So you can see some of the stumps. We walk back, we have the little creek back down behind it that runs the back portion of the property. Staked out. So this is going to be the back. We'll have a small porch on the back. There's nobody directly behind, so we have the tree cover, and this area right here is completely vacant. So it'll be a nice back porch sitting area. So just to continue the overview, we'll have the septic system come out this side of the house, and we will have to pump it up to the lines that are basically going in the driveway area up at the front. Then, if you've seen any other videos on the shredder that we got, we have chipped and shredded all the trees and limbs and everything from this. So this is quite the pile. It's been quite the chore getting all of this chipped up and shredded and all that. It's been a lot of work, but we do have some great mulch and stuff once we get things cleared and to lay down. So that'll be really nice to have. So now that's just our general overview and layout of this property. It's pretty small, but it's going to be really awesome to get actually building on here, and we're excited to get this started. So let's check it out when we're underway. Now we've got our footers dug and just passed our footer inspections. which looks so much different tore up. So we'll have rebar going in this afternoon and getting ready to pour tomorrow. So we're going to have 10 total piers for our center supports. So we'll have 2 in the front, in the footer here, 3 in the center of the house, and then we'll have 2 more connected in the back. So it's looking great. Looks really good. Getting the dirt pushed around, opened up, because it's exciting making this progress. Footers are poured. Looking really good. Got it done a couple days ago. So it's hard now. Got the foundation walls going up next, which is where we'll end off this video and then get into framing. But these footers look awesome. Gonna be really sturdy building this house on this, especially down the middle with these piers, not spanning that far, but got plenty of room and a solid foundation to build on, which is the most important thing. And we've got the foundation done. Let's take a look at it. Looks really good. Got a really nice finish on the outside here, and we will be painting the outside of this as well. So with this finish on it, it's going to look awesome once we get painted. Really happy with how this turned out. Honestly, better than expected as far as the finish on these walls goes. They look really good, and we aren't going to have much room on this side of the crawl space, but that's not going to be a problem because we don't have anything going up in that front corner. So that's just going to be an office area. No water or anything's going to have to come out, and no plumbing is going to be in that area, so it doesn't matter that it's really low. It's not going to have to be accessible for anything. And we got plenty of room to backfill up against these walls. So this looks absolutely great. A really nice finish on this foundation. There we have it. We got the base of the house done. Really excited to look at it at this point and see how it is, just the quick progress. And then as you can see right here, we have all of our lumber. So we are going to get started framing tomorrow. So this whole process of getting the footers and everything dug and poured and the block laid, it's been about 2 weeks getting all to here. So that's we're going to end this video at this point so we can pick up once framing starts. So it's been about 2 weeks so far to get to this point of the project, and it's going to go really fast from here, just getting the whole shape of the house down with the framing. So really excited to be doing this and to be right here. So that's going to do it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the continued progress of this project. Thanks.